SSG hit here, and these are my 3 new Sears Tractors. I got that one Labor Day, and these 2, I think August was Sunday. It was August 14th or 15th was Sunday. I got these 2. I got this one at our tractor show and this one from a friend of mine. So 3 new Sears Tractors, 67, 68, 69. That one, the 68, is all original. These 2 are not. So first one is a 1967 custom 6 Recoil. This is the original motor to it. I don't know what's wrong with it. I just got told it was tired, so I don't know what's wrong with it. It's a 6-horse Tecumseh. It has a Peerless 2300 in it. And there's the serial number and then model number. It came with a 3-point hitch, which is on my new work tractor. I'll get to that in a bit. Okay. This was a 1-owner family tractor. I think in 07 it got put into dry storage for 8 years until now. I just pressure washed it a few days ago. Picked it up for $200 with the front plow, which it was beyond repair, so I got rid of that and the deck. And has a 6-horse Tecumseh on it with the original carburetor off the original motor, because when I got it the carburetor was junk. Here's the number to this. They said they put this new motor on right before they put in storage in 8 years ago. Trying to do math in my head, but oh well. Original tires, original everything, but the motor. I still have the motor. I don't want to put the original motor on this. So this is number 4, 4th one, 3rd one, 2nd one, and the 77 in there was the 1st one. So next is a 1968 Sears Suburban 12, all original, has period correct wheels. These came with egg tires front and back. It had rototiller wheels on the front and egg tires on the back. This was a pulling tractor. I bought it from a friend of mine for $400. It had weights on back, except I took all those off because I want to keep it original. Only thing original is not that. Since I don't got very good editing equipment, that's how it used to look like. So I traded the wheels and wheel weights off of that for the period correct wheels. These are off actually a 68 Sears Suburban 12. The rear wheels are off I believe a 70 Sears Suburban, like this one. This one's a 69. And I ended up getting wheels, front wheels, for my 77 stock front wheels. So I'm gonna use this one for shows. I'm trying to find another 3-point hitch for this one so I could see how it does with the back blade. Kind of hard doing this one with one hand. Original 12 horsepower Tecumseh. With an SSI, I have no idea about SSIs. I don't even know what they're, solid state ignitions. I don't know nothing about the Holder motors. Yeah, idle, very good when I got it, and ended up tweaking the carb a little bit so it runs good. Started a generator. Love these old things. So this was my very first running Sears Suburban. What else? 633A transmission, 6-speed high-low. There's a number. There's a serial number. The serial number is 1222. So slow number. And next one, this is actually replacing that. This is my new work tractor, and this is a 69 Super 12 SS. It has a Tecumseh 16 horse in it. The way I got it, I talked to the old owner and he says that's the way he got it. I had to rewire it, put another ignition in it, put another light switch in it. I don't know what year this motor is. I don't know how to cipher codes on Tecumsehs. And this is an OH 160. And this is the numbers. So comment below and tell me what year this motor is and when this was made and when this epoxy was put in, because it got repainted. Original wheels, took the hubcaps off, and those hubcaps been on since new. This is actually all original. This is original from 1969. .633A transmission. They say 8 speed. It's 6-speed high-low. Serial number, I think that's 10,807, and the number. And like I said, this is my work tractor. Let you know, All three of these, well, I don't know about that one. I know these two will outpull one of those. I ain't BSing either. These two, maybe that one, will outpull a newer GT. I already tested it, and that tractor now is my 900-pound class tractor, Northern Country Boy. It will be turned into a puller now. Work tractor, show tractor, sometimes work tractor, and my put around tractor. This is an on-off switch. And it's still new. Here we go. Had to redo exhaust on this one because I wanted to put a Squire muffler on it. Need to put a new belt on this. Everything's kosher on this one, but the charging system does not charge. Everything's good on this one. Had to put another belt on it and redo exhaust on this, and that old dip 6 tubes off my 77, and the dip 6 tubes on off of this motor is on my 77. So, update on my 3 Sears tractors. The last video I only showed these two, and it was a teaser video, and ended up getting that one Labor Day of this year, so really haven't been in the mood to do videos, but I need to get these done. And the newer GTs suck. I love Sears Suburbans, and yeah, I'm not gonna pull with them because I outpulled three of them, and myself at a show. So till next time, redneck up, rebel forever. One other thing, I quit smoking. Redneck up, rebel forever.